We guide you through how to contact PayPal support directly. So the first thing you need to do is to open your PayPal and log into your account. And on the home screen, tap your profile icon located in the top corner, then scroll down and select Help. Inside the Help Center, tap Contact PayPal Support to see all available options. If you want to talk to a live person, choose Call Us. The app may generate a one time passcode that helps verify your identity and connects you quicker to a representative so you don't forget to keep it visible while making the call. If your calling in available or wait times are too long, tap message us instead and type live agent or talk to a human in the chat. After the automated assistant response, you'll be transferred to a real support agent. You can also request callback directly from the app so you don't have to stay on hold. For faster assistance, always prepare key details like your account email, transaction ID, and a short explanation of your issue before contacting support. This is especially helpful for urgent problems such as unauthorized payments, account limitations, or refund disputes.